Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow app notifications on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on apps. Next, go down the app list and open up an app. So I'm going to choose Adobe Acrobat. In here, tap on notifications and then tap on lock screen to allow or not allow. So if it's gray out and not being selected, you can see it's a not allowed. If it is selected in a blue border, then it is allowed. Once it is allowed, then the app, if you receive notification from the app, it will show on the lock screen. Otherwise, if you choose not allowed, it will not show on the lock screen. And that's it. And so here, notifications won't appear as pop-ups. If shown as pop-up is turned off for the notification category. And that's it. So you can turn it on or off. Notifications won't appear as pop-ups, so it's saying the same thing. So here I can just switch it on. If I switch it on, I can choose what type of notifications to show. So I can choose to show content, or I can choose to show notifications but hide the content. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.